my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm making a sandwich. I see this famous sandwich on TikTok. It's called a grinder sandwich. If you want to see how I'm gonna bring all this together, stick around. I will show you as I go by step with it. It's called a grinder sandwich. And you see I got two types of cheese. I got pepper jack and provolone. Alright, I will see y'all in a minute. Okay, my beautiful people, I'm about to start my grinder sandwich, and I got two of these hoagie rolls. And what you do, I got a bread cutter, cut them in half. Open them up like so, like so, like so. Do this in the same way. I'm very anxious to taste this. And what you do is you lay your meat. So I got turkey. Turkey. Next, I have pepperoni. Some more pepperoni. You can add, guess whatever meat you want, but I see mostly everybody do it like this. And I have salami. Everything you see, I got it from Kroger. I put my salami on the other side. Slice salami. Okay, I have provolone cheese. I'm going to put it on top of my salami. And I'm going to put pepper jack cheese on it too. Got two different kinds of cheese, pepper jack and provolone. And I'm putting the cheese on top of my pastrami. Not my pastrami, my salami. And I'm going to put this in the oven, let it heat up, melt down, while I'm making my dressing for it. I'll be back. Okay, my good people, I am back. I'm about to make the salad dressing to go on top of the sandwich. And that's one. This is Duke mayonnaise. This is all I use. Duke mayonnaise. That's 3 tablespoons of that. You need also red vinegar, wine. And I'm going to do like 2 drops of that. Submarine salad dressing. About 2 drops of that. And banana peppers. Take out a few of these. Italian seasoning. Shake this up. Do me about 2 tablespoons of that. Smells good. Do a little pepper. A little salt. I'm going by what I saw somebody did on TikTok. And I'm going to stir in some olives. Just a few. I love olives on my subs. And if it seems like it needs to be loosened back up some, you can add more vinegar, I heard, and add the lettuce. This is shredded lettuce, shredded iceberg lettuce. Stir this, put this in and stir it up. And we're not going to forget the onions. I got purple onions to put in it. Stir all this in. I'm going to add a little bit more of my submarine dressing, because I like that better than anything. I love the taste of submarine dressing, salad dressing. I keep it in my refrigerator. Just stir all this up. I'm going to put a few more banana peppers in. Guys, this is my first time doing this. This is my first time doing this. And I'm going to, because I see it need a little bit more vinegar. Putting some more red wine vinegar in it. Looks pretty good. I'm going to taste a little bit on my hand and see what it tastes like. It's supposed to be like a salad dressing. Go on top of your sandwich. I'm going to taste a little bit in my hand. That is good. Okay, my beautiful people, I have mixed it all in. I add a little bit more of everything I put in it to make it kind of like, because it's supposed to be loosened, so I don't loosen it up a little bit more with adding more vinegar, adding more red wine vinegar, and added some more Italian seasoning just to get it a little bit more loosened. I didn't want it stiff. Now I'm about to make my sandwich. I'm going to put my tomatoes on. Put my tomatoes on. And I sliced my tomatoes thin like, because I wanted them thin. And I'm getting ready to put on the dressing. First, let me put a little pepper on my tomato. You know, you have to season your tomatoes. And sprinkle just a little salt. And I'm about to put the salad on top of it. I'm adding my dressing, my salad. It say add it on one side, so yes, I'm adding on one side on top of the cheese, and I'm gonna cover this up, close it up. And that's supposed to be the sandwich, and I'm gonna cut this in half. Whoa. Okay, cut this in half. It looks good. That's the way it looks. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by Sam, and I am Sam. See what I made? A grinder sandwich. It's very popular on TikTok. A grinder sandwich. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell of notification if you want to see more of my videos when I load them. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Yes, leave me a comment. I love to read comments and share. Share my video if you like what you see. Share my video. On that note, I'm going to bless the food and then we can get into business. Amen. Amen. You see what I got? A grinder sandwich. Yes. Look at that. This is my first time doing this. And it's supposed to be messy. Let's taste and see what it tastes like. And I got me some chips in the back. That's good. It's supposed to be messy, so you know who would love this? My mom. She loved it wet sandwiches. That salad dressing, everything you put in it, it tastes really, really good. Oh wow, that is really, really good. I mean, it's sloppy, but that's the way it's supposed to be. But you're adding all that liquid, you know, into the mayonnaise and all of that. And I got me a Sprite Zero. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten anything. Listen to that fizz. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's good. You know, it's going around on TikTok. And everybody making this sandwich. So I was looking at it, I said, you know what? I'm going to make it too. I'm going to try to make it the best I can. Let's do it though. The crunchiness of the onion, the banana pepper, and I got 2 types of cheese. I got pepper jack, and I have provolone. That is good, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this. This is my first time making it. By looking at it on TikTok. Oh wow. No wonder it went viral. It's really good. Y'all need to try this. It's really good. For the ones that have never tried it, it's really good. A grinder sandwich. I would call it the grinder salad sandwich. That is absolutely delicious. I got turkey, pepperoni, and I have salami. Oh, wow. The banana peppers give it that vinegary taste. And that sub dressing, I love to put on my sandwiches anyway. The sub dressing, I put it on anyway on my subs. I would make this again. That's really good. Wow. That's really good. It tastes Italian. That is really, really good. And that dressing is really liquidy, but I guess it's supposed to be. Like I say, it's supposed to be sloppy. Wow, I'm enjoying this. No, they stopped. I thought my channel had stopped. Oh wow, this is good. But you know how I do it, guys. You know how I do it. I get on here and show you all my food. This is my dinner. Yes, it is for today. It's a grinder sandwich. And this is really, really, really good. It's messy because it's supposed to be. Wow. Wow. That is really good. Wow. It don't look like it should be good, but that is really good. Wow. I hope y'all try this. For the ones that been looking at TikTok like I have been looking, and I saw looking at TikTok, people cook food on TikTok, looking at it and just looking at this. I've been looking at it now for about a month. And I said, you know what? I'm going to try this. I am going to try it. I do everything anyway except for mix, you know, the lettuce and all. I make myself like this anyway, but I don't never mix my lettuce, you know, and make a dressing out of it, I guess. Salad dressing, whatever. Make like a dressing out of it. It's so good. Well, I thank you all for stopping by. I hope you all enjoyed this just as much as I have. I really have enjoyed it. I thank you all for stopping by, Sam. And I am Sam. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. I thank you all so much for the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Share my video if you like what you see. And leave me a comment. I love to read the comments. I really do. And I appreciate all the sweet comments. Thank you all. Thank you all so much. On that note, you all take care. Be safe. Until my next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Try this grinder sandwich. It's really good. Thank you all for stopping by, Sam.